Hey guys, again. Alright, so I'm like I said, I have a whole bunch of stuff and I'm kind of like, I'm like unboxing separately. So like BoxyCharm will be for BoxyCharm, ColourPop for ColourPop, Ofra for Ofra. Alright, because it's not just because I want more videos and stuff, it's just I don't want like confusion. So this is Ofra. Ooh. And this is the stuff that I got. I'm so excited because a friend of mine that I just started working with, she loves NikkiTurtorials. So I'm really excited because I got the collab of NikkiTurtorials. So excited. Okay, so you guys, here is the little bag. It's actually a really cute Ofra bag. Cannot wait. Oh my gosh. Alright, so here is the highlighter. Ooh, that is a really pretty color. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, so I just like did a swirl, as you guys can tell, in like the white, and oh my gosh, look! I love it. Alright, so I did like the individual little swatches and then like the entire swatch. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love it. I love it. I cannot wait. Oh, me. I love unboxings, don't you guys? I love it. It is so nice. I love to like unbox like stuff. It's exciting. Alright. Got the long-lasting liquid lipsticks. These are really pretty. I like the colors, don't you? Aren't they pretty? Alright, so the first one. That's an interesting. It's like, it seems like it doesn't really have a whole heck of a lot of color or product in there. So, I don't know. It does smell good though. This one is called Nude Potion. I'm gonna put it back in there. Spell. Ooh, that one is interesting. Look at that one. It has like a little bit of like a shimmer reflect. Oh, both of them do. That's nice. That one is called Spell. And then Coven. Ooh, this is gonna be a dark color. Oh yeah. It is a really pretty dark color though. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I like that. And they smell good too. They do have like a matte feel. I'm excited to like try, get the, I'm gonna try it out now. Not all of them, but I'm gonna try it. Alright, I think I'm gonna go in with the Nude Potion, you guys. Just because it is a really pretty shade. So I'm gonna go in with that. Oh man, these smell so good. Let's smooth it out. Ooh, got lips. I don't know. I like it. I do. Alright. Alright. So the next couple of things that I got through Ofra. I have like a huge mess on the side. On my left side, I mean. This side right here. Huge mess. Oh, man. Alright, so this is the... Ooh, Nikki... Maybe this is the NikkiTurtorials collab? I don't know. I thought this one was. I thought the one that I just, like, shown you guys. Look at that. And it comes with a mirror. Ooh, nice and... I love their highlighters. They're just so nice and soft. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Glazed donut. Does not smell like glazed donut. Ooh. Not only that, you can put it on your lips. People are gonna probably be like, what's wrong with your lips? Why are they so shiny? You look like an idiot. I don't care. I really don't. So if you guys don't like it, just don't come on. Okay? Because I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do if I like it or don't. Just so you all know. Alright, this is the... So they... Okay, I get it. I get it. They had to separate it because they did not have the Nikki collab like box, which is weird. So they gave it to me as a separate thing. So I got the Nikki... or the Ofra X NikkiTurtorials lip set. I actually have these. So, you guys, I'm not going to open these because it could possibly be a giveaway. So, I'm hoping to announce a giveaway soon, but yeah, that's all I have for Ofra. If you guys do not mind, please like my video. If you guys are on my channel, because I'm going to be posting this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. And also hit that bell button too, so you guys know when I post. Like I said, there is going to be a large giveaway for like all that stuff. I know that there's like a bunch of stuff that I still need to like send out soon, but yeah, just so you all know. It won't be any time. I know that that lip set is going to go in the giveaway. So huh? Oh. Yeah, probably. Alright, you guys, I'm going to hop off here, and if you guys have questions, let me know.